When to stop repairing and replace your kitchen mixer grinder. Is your kitchen mixer grinder starting to show signs of age? If you've been dealing with constant repairs and poor performance, it might be time to consider replacing it. In this video, we'll help you decide when to stop spending on repairs and make the switch to a new, efficient mixer grinder. Let's start with the most obvious sign: frequent breakdowns. If your grinder breaks down more than once every few months, even after servicing, you are likely wasting money. Repairs may offer a temporary fix, but constant issues mean the internal components, especially the motor, are wearing out. Over time, the cost of repairs adds up and might even exceed the price of a new appliance. Next, pay attention to burning smells or overheating. If your grinder emits a burnt smell, shuts down mid-operation, or becomes too hot to touch, these are signs that the motor is under serious stress. Motor rewinding or replacement can be expensive and often isn't worth it, especially for older, low-wattage models. Also, listen to the noise. A healthy grinder hums smoothly. But if yours rattles, buzzes, or makes grinding noises even when it's empty, it could be due to worn-out bearings, loose blades, or internal misalignment. These are tough and costly to repair. Don't ignore physical damage either. Cracked jars, leaking lids, broken blades. If you've replaced jars multiple times and parts are no longer available in the market, it's time to upgrade. New models often come with stronger jars, better locking systems, and overload protection. Then there's performance. If grinding masala or blending chutney takes longer than it used to, your grinder's efficiency has dropped. Older 500 watts models may not be powerful enough for today's heavy-duty kitchen needs. And finally, the biggest concern: safety. If your grinder has frayed wires, exposed parts, or suffered any water or fire damage, stop using it immediately. No savings are worth risking an electrical short or a kitchen fire. As a rule of thumb, if repair costs are more than 50% of a new mixer grinder, go for a replacement. Most quality grinders last 5 to 7 years, so if yours is older, now's a good time to upgrade.